This song is a famous patriotic song in India, composed to honor the soldiers who fought and died for the country. The song was first performed live on January 27, 1963 at the National Stadium in New Delhi. The occasion was to honor the Indian soldiers who had died in the Sino-Indian War of 1962. It became an anthem of patriotism and deeply resonated with the Indian public, and the lyrics pay homage to the sacrifice of Indian soldiers, emphasizing their bravery and selflessness. The song has since been performed at various national events and remains one of India's most poignant and patriotic songs. It continues to be a stirring anthem, resonating with the patriotic spirit of India's Republic Day and Independence Day celebrations, filling the air with a sense of national pride and celebration. The emotional depth and nationalistic fervor have made it an immortal piece of music in Indian culture. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Please mark that the leading note of the scale is on a B flat note in this melody. The C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Pa sa 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 ri sa ni ni. Pa sa 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 ri sa ni ni. Pa ni ri 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 ga ri sa ri ga. Ga ri ga ri sa ni ri sa sa. Pa 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 ma ga pa pa. Pa 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 ma ga pa pa. Pa ma pa dha sa dha pa ma pa ma ga. Sa sa ri ma ga ri sa ga ri. Sa sa ri ma ga ri sa ga ri. Sa ga ri sa dha ri sa sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.